pleased to announce the launch of a different type of innovative high school, digital learning at New Tech Network. Project-based learning will be moving into the realm of online courses. This new and exciting online learning opportunity is designed to allow for students across our network to work collaboratively on courses that aren't always available to them in their own site-based New Tech Network schools. Digital learning at New Tech Network courses helps students to develop all the skills they develop in traditional courses: deep contextualized understanding of content, and mastery of life skills such as teamwork, problem-solving, design, and communication. Participation in online project-based learning demands that students learn to collaborate effectively with classmates around the country. Students from multiple schools must work together across distance and time zones to solve authentic problems and create high-quality products as evidence of their learning. Each class uses project-based learning. Let's take a look at one of our online classes. This course uses the concepts of measures of central tendency, expected value, and the application of probability to investigate local and national employment trends. Students will explore patterns, hypothesize possible correlations, and analyze the expected value of a college education. They'll also investigate the best college majors and employment options by calculating these measures and then using them to analyze situations and make a decision. Several projects will take place throughout this class. The following project, Mean Truth About Unemployment, will not only provide rigor while meeting Common Core standards, but will also provide a real-world use for the lessons learned. Each project will feature a driving question. The driving question for this project is: how can you use the measures of central tendencies such as mean, median, and mode to evaluate situations? And how do you determine the best measure to use in a given situation? Students use the concepts of mean, median, and mode to analyze monthly unemployment rates in the respective regions and produce a 2020-style news segment in which they present their analysis to the public. The following entry document is used to launch the project and lends authenticity to it.
Hi New Tech students, my name's Jenny Day and I'm one of the reporters here at ABC 22 and Fox 44 News in Burlington, Vermont. And right now we're here at the set, but most of my days are spent out in the field. And while I explain your assignment to you, I want to show you some of those clips. As young men and women, you are probably becoming more aware of issues that affect us as a nation. One of these issues is unemployment. You may live in an area that has been badly impacted by unemployment. You may know someone who has lost their job. You may even have been affected personally. Almost every day, we as newscasters are reporting the statistics of unemployment, locally and nationally. Some areas of the country have felt the impact more than others. It appears that some areas are recovering, while others continue to struggle with a lack of jobs. Sorting through and analyzing this data can be confusing. We need your help. We would like for your team to conduct an investigation on unemployment. You will begin by researching the unemployment rates in your local communities and then sharing your data with your team. We would like for you to calculate the statistics for unemployment and then compare it to the nationally published rates to see what results you find and to see where your community fits into the big picture. We would like for you to produce a 2020-style news show to share your team's findings. You will have 5 weeks to complete this investigation, calculate the statistics, evaluate your findings, and produce a show. Here's your first assignment. Each team member will research the monthly unemployment rates in your county or a county assigned to you. You will find this data for the last 4 years. After collecting this information, you will calculate the yearly mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and range for the data. Be prepared to share this information and explain the process at your first checkpoint with your teacher, and at that time, she will discuss the next steps. I absolutely love my job, and I hope that I can inspire some of you to become real reporters one day. Investigative pieces like this can be a lot of fun, so I'm excited to see the results of your research. Good luck with the investigation. In Burlington, Vermont, I'm Jenny Day with ABC 22 and Fox 44 News.
Each group member signs a contract, agreeing to take on the responsibilities of their accepted role. Students must live up to the terms of the contract. If they're unable to fulfill their duties, they must answer to their peers and could be removed from the group. The following New Tech Network rubric is an articulation of the teacher's expectations in the project. Categories help further define expectations, setting a clear standard for students. Students will work together in the New Tech Network's online learning management system called ECHO. They'll be able to access all assignments and even view their grades throughout the span of the class. Digital Learning at New Tech Network offers online PBL courses that challenge students to develop a higher level of organization, communication, and technology skills. Skills that will be vital to their college and career success beyond high school. Many of our students have reflected that working with distributed geographic teams in these courses and getting to know students from dramatically different communities is powerful preparation for success in the global workplace they will encounter after they graduate. To learn more about project-based learning and digital learning at New Tech Network, join us at www.newtechnetwork.org.